In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free shipping discount in Shopify. First of all, navigate to our menu on the left and click on discounts. Then we want to hit up right here on the right button up in the corner that says create discount. And I want to select the free shipping one. After I have selected this, I can set it as a discount code, or I can set it as an automatic discount. I want this to be an automatic discount, and I type in my title, which is free shipping. And you can select all countries or selected countries. If you have a supplier that only ships to selected countries, then select this. But if you have a worldwide shipping provider that can do the same shipping fee for all countries in the world, then select this one. This could be Temu, or it could be Alibaba or AliExpress. You can also select shipping rates over a certain amount if you have an automatic shipping fee. I'm not going to do this. And then you can set a minimum purchase requirement. I would advise you to do this. And you can set it at an amount, or you can set it at a quantity. I'm going to set it at an amount, and I'm going to set in 500. And you can say that combination free shipping can be combined with product discounts or order discounts. I don't have any I can see, but if you have some of these, you can combine them. Then you have the active dates, and as you can see, it starts right now. I don't want an end date. I just want this to be like the normal of my website, so I keep it that way. And over here, you can see you have a summary of what your discount contains, and it all looks fine. And I click on save, and I have now added free shipping to my Shopify website.